Hi, welcome to 20 Minute Tech. This is technology training for Irving Middle School teachers and other FCPS teachers. This is Smart Notebook 11's Activity Builder. And today we'll talk about the best use of the Activity Builder. What is an object? And what about the other objects we use as correct and incorrect answers? So in Smart Notebook 11, we have a brand new Activity Builder. You may have noticed there's a new tab with a puzzle piece on it. This is our Activity Builder. And today I'm going to show you how to use the Activity Builder to make something really interactive. This seems to be best used with multiple answers, although you can use it with single answers. Let me show you. Here's a math problem that's an inequality. We have a over negative 3 is less than or equal to negative 2. When the student completes the problem, they should have a is less than or equal to 6. That would mean there are multiple answers. So in this activity, I have many numbers available for them. Some are correct and some are not. So let's build our activity. First, I click on the puzzle piece. And now it's asking me to select an object on the page. This is the object that is going to have actions associated with it whenever another object is dragged to touch it. I'm going to create a black hole because that's my theme of my activity today. I'm just going to draw a circle and I'm going to fill it in. I'll move it to where I want it to be. And one other option you may want to do is lock your object. All right, this is now my object, and make sure you select the object before you start to build the activity. I'll click Edit in the Activity Builder. This is divided into two sections. The top section would be the correct answers, those that you wish to accept, and the bottom section are the incorrect answers. In the top section, what you will do is drag in all the correct answers. Again, multiple answers work really well with this. So less than or equal to 6. Well, 6 is one of my possibilities, so I'm going to drag it in. And 3 is also a possibility. Notice how it collects these objects within the holder. Negative 2 is also less than 6, so I'm going to take it on in. And finally 4. The incorrect answers, you can drag those into that holding area as well, or you can choose Add All Remaining. When I do that, I see I actually do have a few objects that are not a part of the answers, the distractors. So any of these that you don't want, you can click and drag them into the trash can. So that now I have 2 incorrect answers and 4 correct answers. At this point you could say done, but we need to know what are the actions that are going to happen to these possible objects. That's under Settings. At the top, here's what will happen to our correct answers in the bin. I have it set for them to fade out, so it'll look like they disappear into the black hole. The other options for you are fly out, snap to center, or spin. The snap to center would be really good if you're trying to place a word inside of a sentence. That makes it very clear that it does fit right there in that object that you leave as the blank for the sentence. When they are not correct, my choice today is bounce back. They're going to show up right back where they started. So I am completely done with this unless I happen to have objects associated with sounds. You can place sounds on each of these correct or incorrect answers, and when you want that to play, you check the box. Let's press done, and now let's reveal our activity and how it works. So the student has determined that anything 6 and less is going to be an answer, so they're going to try 6. They take it to the black hole, it disappears. Here's an incorrect answer, 8. They take it to the black hole, it pops back. Lots of possible teaching options here. Hope you have fun creating your activities with Activity Builder.